Good morning, all. So, let me directly jump into the topic. People actually raise their eyebrows when we start giving response them that yeah, we are pursuing the CA course, and we can expect what sort of the respect we get when we actually capture the CA certificate in our hands in the future, right? So, coming to the topic that how CA course or how CA will help in developing or contributing in the developing of the nation. I personally classify the qualified chartered accountants into the three categories. The first category people is that they are getting a job in a company, and the second category people is that they are setting up in a practice, and third category people is that which I prefer and like the most is that they are entering into some other different fields than the said two categories. So let me share some of the examples of this third category of the people who are actually the qualified chartered accountants and entering into some other different fields and setting up the mark in the fields which they have entered. So the first example which I want to give is that the directors of a masterminds institution. We all know that they are the qualified chartered accountants, but they didn't end up their career just by getting a CA certificate in their hands. They they even thought more to help many of the students who are actually interested in pursuing of the CA course. Gone are the days where the people actually thought that the Chennai is the place for pursuing of the CA course. Our directors actually proved it wrong by establishing the Institute. So now our directors have achieved the success in the development of our institution in such a way that the people are actually praising or lauding or making a statements that Guntur is the place for the CA and is the place for the CA. This all success is just because they are the qualified chartered accountants. That knowledge or that CA course have helped him in getting that huge success in establishing the institution. Many institutions for providing the CA course have been established, but they may not successful, but they have not got success just like our Masterminds Institute. Just because they are qualified chartered accountants, we can expect how how their strategies or how their ideas or how the XP or how their contributions, what sort of decisions they take in the development of the institution. This is all just because the knowledge they gain from the CA course, right? And the next example which I want to tell is that Aditya Puri sir, who is actually the uh, former MD of our HDFC Bank, he actually have the vision that HDFC Bank should be the world-class Indian bank. His vision will not help only the development of the HDFC Bank, but it even inspire many of the other businessmen or many of other his competitors in developing their own strategies or changing their decisions or entering into some other different directions for the development of their own banks. See, a person who is actually qualified chartered accountant, yeah, will have their different ideas or different ways in entering into the business, which will inspire even many other people who are in the field of their business to innovate something more or something new than the previous one. And the next example which I can give you is that however we all are familiar with that name, that Mr. Piyush Goyal sir, who is actually entering into the politics. It's a very strange for any CA student to listen that a qualified chartered accountant entering into the politics side. A normal person who even not having the proper qualification or the education or with the least education are becoming the politician and somehow contributing to the development of the nation. Then what sort of contribution we can expect from a person who is a chartered accountant and entering into the politics field? That was really a fantastic job and inspiring many of these CA students that CA is not just meant for auditing or reporting on the financial statement, but even something more. So at last I want to conclude by saying one thing, that CA course will not teach the CA students regarding the auditing or reporting or settling as a jobber or the practice, but it actually boosts up the power in the life of the every CA student or the qualified chartered accountant regarding the tackling or facing the situation in our life. And it boosts up and it encourages in entering into the different fields and achieving the success in that different fields and setting up the mark in that respective field which they have entered, just like the examples which I have given. Now they have set up the mark and become the masters in the fields which they have entered, right? That was inspiring for any person who want to pursue the CA students. I actually inspired from the examples which from the persons from the examples which I have given. So one thing which I want to say at the end is that a CA course or the knowledge of the CA is just like the Sudarshan Chakra in the hands of Sri Krishna, which will help to tackle any of the situation or to face any situation or to enter into any different fields, that may be either business or the politics or education or any companies or any other different ways that will really help us in achieving of the success in the field which have entered. Thank you.